Digital skills. Digital skills are the abilities you need to use technology in everyday life, school, and work with confidence. Over 80% of UK job listings require digital skills. Digital skills include basic tech use, navigating smartphones, tablets, and computers. Online safety, taking into consideration privacy, cyberbullying, and how to protect personal data. Digital communication, using email, messaging apps, and video calls effectively. Content creation, making videos, graphics, or blogs using digital tools. Problem solving with tech, using search engines, apps, and software to find solutions. Here are 3 tips to develop your skills. Tip 1. Practice with purpose. Use technology in ways that challenge you. Edit a video, explore Canva, or create a blog. Tip 2. Learn from free resources. Use platforms like BBC Bitesize. Look at YouTube or TikTok videos for tutorials. And look for free digital workshop events in local community centres. Tip 3. Ask, share, collaborate. Ask friends or family, join local groups, or show someone what you've learnt to develop further. Be safe always. Use websites and apps that you know are safe. For further support, contact us. post@profi.cymru, @cynllun profi. Thank you for watching.
Created using Powtoon.